Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and we are working on this Nissan Xterra for my customer, and one of the services that they requested was that I do a trim restoration for them. Now, this Nissan Xterra has a lot of plastic and trim pieces. Some are pretty heavily oxidized. We've got some zebraing going on the side pieces, and the rest of the trim is just starting to get a little baked from the sun. We're showing some signs of fading, and so I'm actually using a product called Black Wow Pro. This is one of my favorite products to do a trim restoration. Now, there's a difference between a restoration with a ceramic coating, and that's going to last you years, but it can be expensive. This is a product that actually is going to last 4 to 6 months. It restores the like new appearance. You do want to do sometimes light layers on the side pieces where it was the worst. I actually had to do 3 light layers to get to like new appearance, but the rest of the vehicle only needed 1 application for me to get like new appearance. This actually restores the gloss and the natural appearance to the trim, and it also is going to give it UV protection as well as some hydrophobic, so it's going to be easier to maintain. And what I like about this product, sometimes when you use dressings on vehicles, what can happen is when it gets wet, you're sometimes going to have like streaking appear on the paint beneath those surfaces. If you've ever used them in the past and you maybe do like your trim handles or maybe a tonneau bed cover, and you notice there's like streaking down the paint, it can be an eyesore. It can actually be very annoying, and this product does not allow that to happen because it actually is kind of setting into the trim. It's being absorbed into it versus just kind of floating on the surface, so that when it gets wet, it washes off and then you've got to constantly be reapplying. So for those of you looking for a great product to maintain either your customers or your own trim pieces on your vehicle, this is one of my favorites. Has a very refreshing watermelon scent. It's actually kind of a red gel-like appearance, but it goes on clear, dries clear, and it can be used on either gray or black trim pieces. You don't have to buy one product just for gray or one product for just for black pieces. It can be applied to really any plastic trim pieces. You can actually use this on interiors as well. Let's say you have WeatherTech mats that are starting to get faded. You can use this on those pieces. It can be used on pretty much any surface that is porous and plastic. So I hope you enjoy this quick tip, this product review to share with you guys for those of you that are looking for a premium trim restore that is non-greasy, dries to the touch, and offers UV protection as well as hydrophobics and restores like new appearance. I'm going to put the Amazon affiliate link for it down below. There's 2 different size bottles. The smaller size bottle, you could probably get 10 to 15 vehicles with that one bottle. The larger one, probably closer to 40 to 50. So it's a great return on your investment. You can see our before and afters. It turned out fantastic. Customer actually thought the vehicle looked like new. On the more faded pieces, you might need to do multiple layers, like I said, because it's actually being absorbed into the trim. It's not just kind of sitting on the surface and painting it. So multiple light layers may be needed, but 24 hours later, you're going to have a fantastic turnaround that your customers and you will be very happy with. So hopefully you enjoy this closer look. Make sure you subscribe and like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.